YouTube channel. Brand new video is some more. Today in this video we try